Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a delicious Githeri recipe. I'm using the brand new peanut butter from Blue Band. It's nice, rich and smooth in the gravy and it's very delicious. Let's get started. Remember, my show is all about bringing cooking back and making you understand that cooking is not so hard. Today's recipe, the ingredients are simple. We start with the Githeri. Githeri, for those who don't know, it's boiled beans and maize. We also have onion. Now this is one large onion. I'll also add some garlic. I have 4 cloves of garlic. Now I also have 2 medium-sized carrots. I've also diced half a red pepper and a green pepper and 2 tomatoes. And for the main flavor, you're getting it from the peanut butter from Blue Band. It's smooth and creamy. You can use the crunchy one, but I prefer the smooth one because it gives a nice smooth finish. I don't want a crunch because I already have a crunch from the maize, so I would suggest using a smooth one. We'll start by frying the onion. When the pan is hot, when you add the oil, that's when you know how much oil you have. And the oil should not be more than the onion. So we're gonna cook this onion until it's golden brown, towards golden brown. So in the meantime, while this is cooking, I'll be cutting the garlic. So it's been about 3 minutes, the onion is cooking. And what I've done, at around after 1 minute into the onion starting to cook, I added the carrots because I also want to give time for the carrots to cook. And then at this point, when the onion is started to turn brown, I add the garlic. So I want it to have a garlic flavor, and I'm about to add the tomatoes. Remember, you're not adding any spices to this. So we want to get the flavor from the garlic. Now, tomato is optional, especially when you're cooking with peanut butter, but I want the redness from the tomato and some tomato flavor into this food. And so far, so good. It smells really delicious. So the idea is to get the different colors. You have the red from the tomato, you have the orange from the carrots, and then the red. That different variety in color will make the food have a nice presentation. Now the amount of vegetables is dependent on the amount of food you're cooking. I'll cover it for about 1 minute so that the tomatoes actually cooks down. So it really looks colorful, smells nice. So the trick is mix it together with the tomato and peppers and onions. So after mixing, it's at this stage that I will add the peanut butter. I'm going to start with 2 heaped tablespoons. So the idea is to let the peanut butter start melting into the food, and adding water will help that. As the food starts getting hot, what will happen is that the gravy will start becoming thick. And don't forget the salt. And it's a good idea to add the salt after you've added the peanut butter because peanut butter has salt. Leave some room to adjust to taste, especially as it continues to simmer. So now the food has taken about 7 minutes simmering. Has a nice nutty flavor, which is exactly what I was going for. And as you can see, the vegetables, the carrots, the peppers are not too much, and the gravy is actually thick. Now that's what it tends to do. When you're cooking with peanut butter, the gravy, it's actually a very good thickener. I hope you've learned something today. Today's recipe has been Githeri in peanut sauce. Now, it's a very delicious recipe made with a brand new peanut butter from Blue Band. Catch me on the next episode of Cooking with Chef Raphael, and until next time, goodbye.